If you're seeing that your PC/device needs to be repaired, message with error code 0xc on Windows 11. First, completely turn off your computer. If the computer is stuck on the error screen, press and hold the power button for around 10 seconds until it shuts down. Now disconnect all unnecessary external devices from your computer and remove any USB flash drives too. If an external hard drive or portable SSD is connected, disconnect it as well. Also remove any memory cards from the computer. Leave only the keyboard and mouse connected, if they are required. Once all unnecessary devices are disconnected, turn your computer back on and check if Windows starts normally. Sometimes, the computer may try to boot from the wrong connected device, or an external storage device may interfere with the boot selection. If you're still seeing error code, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds and shut down your PC. After shutdown, press the power button to start your PC. As soon as the computer starts, repeatedly press the BIOS key. Depending on your computer manufacturer, the key may be F2, delete, escape, F10, or F12. In this video, I'm using an HP laptop. On an HP laptop, repeatedly press the escape key when the laptop starts to open the startup menu, and then press F10 to enter the BIOS setup utility. Once the BIOS settings open, find the boot options or boot order section. Now look for Windows Boot Manager in the boot list and make sure Windows Boot Manager is set as the first boot option. If it is not at the top, select Windows Boot Manager and use the available on-screen keys to move it to the first position. After that, save the changes and exit the BIOS settings. Your computer will restart. Now check if Windows 11 starts normally. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.